Ever wonder why some people seem to have their lives together from the moment they wake up? It's not luck, it's a strategic morning routine. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Imagine waking up energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. In this video, I'll explain how to build a morning routine that sets you up for success every single day. A good morning routine doesn't have to be complicated, but it should be intentional. Many successful people, from CEOs to athletes, have carefully crafted routines that help them kickstart their day on the right foot. And the best part? You can create one too, tailored to your unique needs and goals. So let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about the night before. That's right, a great morning starts the evening before. Planning ahead and preparing what you need the night before reduces decision fatigue and saves time. Lay out your clothes, prepare your meals, and write down your priorities for the next day. This simple step helps create a smoother, stress-free morning. Now let's move to waking up early. While the exact wake-up time will vary from person to person, waking up earlier gives you more control over your time. It's your quiet moment before the world wakes up. No distractions, no rush. Start by waking up just 15 minutes earlier than usual and gradually build it up to an hour or more. One crucial component of any morning routine is hydration. After hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning helps jumpstart your metabolism and rehydrates your body. It's a small but powerful habit that can boost your energy levels right away. Next up, movement. Physical activity, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, can make a huge difference in how you feel for the rest of the day. Whether it's stretching, yoga, or a full workout, getting your body moving increases blood flow, wakes you up, and releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. After movement comes mindfulness. Take a few minutes to practice mindfulness or meditation to center yourself. This can be as simple as deep breathing, journaling, or practicing gratitude. By calming your mind and focusing on the present moment, you'll enter your day feeling grounded and ready to tackle challenges. One of the most important elements of a successful morning routine is nourishment. Skipping breakfast can lead to low energy and lack of focus. Aim for a balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and some carbs to fuel your brain and body for the day ahead. Your breakfast should be simple, nutritious, and something you look forward to eating. Let's talk about planning your day. Take a few moments to go over your to-do list or calendar. Prioritize the most important tasks and set realistic goals for what you want to accomplish. By reviewing your day ahead, you'll stay focused and on track, avoiding the overwhelm of an unplanned day. Lastly, mindset matters. How you talk to yourself in the morning can shape your entire day. Incorporate positive affirmations or self-encouragement into your routine. Remind yourself of your strengths, your goals, and what you're grateful for. This simple habit can shift your mindset and give you the confidence to approach your day with purpose. So to recap, a successful morning routine includes preparing the night before, waking up early, hydrating, moving your body, practicing mindfulness, nourishing yourself, planning your day, and setting a positive mindset. The key to sticking with your routine is to keep it consistent but flexible. You don't have to be perfect every day. What matters is building habits that make you feel good and set you up for success. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to transform your mornings and take control of your day, hit that like button and subscribe to Ben Explains It All for more practical life tips. What does your morning routine look like? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, start your day strong and watch how it transforms your life.